Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about a super fun topic, ice-breaking exercises. Whether you're a workshop facilitator, team leader, or event organizer, icebreakers are your secret weapon for creating a connected and engaged group. So, why are ice-breaking exercises so important? Imagine walking into a room full of strangers. It's awkward, right? Icebreakers help dissolve that awkwardness by building connections and fostering a comfortable environment. They make everyone feel more at ease and ready to participate. Where can you use these magic tools? Basically, anywhere you have a group of people who need to work together or get to know each other better. Think corporate settings like team-building events and meetings, educational settings like classrooms, and even social gatherings like parties and community events. So how do you decide on the right icebreaker? Here are a few tips. Define your objectives. Select an icebreaker that aligns with the goals of your session. If team bonding is the goal, choose activities that require collaboration. For creativity sessions, opt for exercises that encourage out-of-the-box thinking. Know your audience. Consider their age, interests, cultural background, and comfort level. Think about the setting. Is it formal or informal? Are the participants ready for a physical icebreaker or not? Assess the group size. Some activities work better with large groups, while others are perfect for small ones. Consider the time available. A short, impactful activity is better than one that drags on too long. Alright, let's get practical with some actionable tips for you as a facilitator. Be prepared. Have a list of icebreakers ready and understand the rules. Have all necessary materials on hand and be clear on the instructions. Practice the activity beforehand if possible to see if it is going to work. Explain clearly. Provide simple instructions and maybe even demonstrate the activity. Keep it simple. As with everything, simpler is better. Easy to understand exercises usually work better. Be inclusive. Make sure everyone feels comfortable. Be flexible. Be ready to adapt or switch activities if needed. Have a backup plan or activity at hand. And finally, always debrief. Discuss briefly how it went and what participants learned or felt. For those seeking a resource to enhance their icebreaking and team-building sessions, I highly recommend checking out TeamSpark. TeamSpark is a tool I created, offering a collection of 60+ verified icebreaking exercises and engaging activities designed to make your sessions more effective and enjoyable. You can find the link to TeamSpark in the description of this video. Icebreaking exercises are a fantastic tool to set a positive tone for any group session. They build connections, ease tension, and make your sessions more interactive and fun. So give them a try at your next meeting or class and watch the magic happen.